Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you a very important feature in Creo Parametric. So this is called swept blend, which you can find over here in shapes. So using that you can create profiles like this, as you can see the handle profile over here. So I'm not gonna go in detail and show you how I created this, but I will just show you how to use the sweep blend feature. So for that, let me create the same handle on the other side. So for that, let's go to front. I will create a sketch. Now for the sketch part, obviously this is a spline. So you can do from here hidden and then select the spline, and then somewhere around here you can start and just keep like keep in mind how the profile of the handle should be, and then you can press the escape. So this finishes your spline, and after this you can come back to shading with edges. After this press OK. Now let's go to sweep blend and select the sketch that you created. It will read the profile for the trajectory, and then we need to create some more sketches for the path. So let's go to sections. Section 1 we don't have anything, so let's go for a sketch. Now here this is your center point. Wherever the XY coordinate is coming, that will be your center point. So I'm going to select ellipse, center ellipse, do one ellipse like this. So I will press shift so that it does not get any other constraint. After this you can define your ellipse. So for the definition part, I'm just going to give 55 and 85. So like this, press OK. So one of the sketch is done. We need to insert another sketch. So for that purpose, as you can see, one endpoint has a sketch. Now this endpoint also needs a sketch. So we will do the sketch for that. And for that, you can press insert and then go for sketch. So it will select this other endpoint of your profile. Now I will do the same thing for this also. So somewhere around here, just rough, and then this will be 85. As you can see, this has taken a constraint, so I'm just gonna delete it, and then this will be 55. Press OK. Now go to standard orientation. As you can see, so the sub blend is working. Press OK to finish it. So this is how you can utilize the swept blend feature inside Creo Parametric. This is a very simple use, but it can be used in a variety of other ways. You can insert multiple sketches. So if I show you the sections, I have only two sketch. If you want few more sketches in between, you can do that also. And for doing that, you can just keep on inserting the sections and adding the sketches. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.